Kazungula smallholder farmers have been engaged in beekeeping enterprise to improve the livelihoods of the communities. Southern Province Principal Agricultural Officer Paul Nyambe said the 190 smallholder farmers received 10 beehives each in all the 19 agricultural camps in Kazungula. Mr. Nyambe said the Strengthening Climate Resilience in Agricultural Livelihoods in Agroecological Regions 1 and 2 SCRARA project supplied 1,900 beehives to Kazungula smallholder farmers.
Kazungula started with a slightly higher number of beehives because they also had a slightly higher number of camps which were actually on the SCRARA project. So they started with 1,900 beehives which were distributed to all the beneficiaries which are in the camps. So there are 190 beneficiaries. So it meant that each beneficiary was receiving 10 beehives from the project.
And Kaowe beekeeping mentor Robson Namadula said the 13-member beehive cooperative harvested 112 by 20 liters buckets of honey.
We harvested 112 20 liters buckets as we learned while training as mentors in Pongwe. We immediately collected the honey and stored it at my house. My followers also collected their honey and brought it to my residence.
Rosini Simulie paid growing tribute to the SCRARA project for engaging farmers in alternative livelihood of beekeeping that has no cost.
We got interested in this livelihood venture. There is no need for fertilizer. All you need is to place a beehive and apply a bit of meal and water inside, and bees will enter. I'm very happy and impressed with the project.
Reporting, Lawrence Kabutu in Kazungula.